Hey, Bess here. I have a hopefully quick tutorial on how to create a braid in VRoid. So once you have your base hair already created with this V shape, add a freehand hair guide. Come over, elongate the bottom vertice just a little bit so we can make the braid longer. Expand so it's on the outside of the existing hair mesh, but not too far out. Let's make this a little bit more round at the bottom. Yeah, like that. Come over here to our brush tool. Let's make sure the curve is that symmetrical half oval thing. Drag the width and the thickness down to 0.03. Turn mirror mode off and see down the very center is we're looking at the actual mesh now. The yellow or the green in the very center, we want to focus on that. So if we look to the left, start in one corner, drag down and over 2, so diagonal down 2, and just repeat that over and over again until you get the length of braid you want. Don't worry about it not lining up, that's okay, we can fix that later. See, now that this side is done, let's flip it over, but not actually, we're not gonna copy the mesh. But in our brains, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna move it up 1. So instead of starting here, we're gonna start here and we're just gonna repeat the same thing. We're gonna go down and across 2, diagonal down 2. So it's creating 3 wide meshes. And now let's go back to our selection tool. Increase the width ratio until it's approximately what you like. And then increase the thickness ratio. If you resize it, you can make the braid thinner, fatter, without having to adjust the control points, which is really nice. However, this braid is just kind of loose, so that this tutorial does not include the steps on blending it. But that was a super quick tutorial. I hope you learned how to create a basic braid in VRoid, and if not, leave something down in the comments. Maybe I can do a full, longer than 5-minute tutorial. But I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you later. Bye!